Okay, hi guys. I got my Hobonichi delivery. This is the first time I've ordered from them directly. My first time actually getting a Hobonichi at all. I do shop on Jetpens and mistakenly bought the wrong planner last year, so I'm very excited to open my box and take a look at what I got. So I know there's a ton of YouTube videos out right now for people unboxing their Hobonichi and showing you what they got. And the quote inside, "A calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed and days still to come. It's funny, all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. Safety matches fireside chat." So now I only got 2 planners. I'm kind of new to the planner game. I'm trying to do better. So it looks like I got one of the bags, which I'll open in a second. And I got 2 pens. That's exciting. I didn't even know that I got these until I saw people unboxing. I didn't know that was a thing that Hobonichi did, so that's really awesome. So I got a week's, the Hobonichi Techo weeks with the Monday start, and I got it in English, I believe. And then I opted for the Hobonichi Techo Cousin. I've never had one of these before, and I didn't really want to do a 2-piece planner for the year, so this is the one I chose. So give me a second and I will open them up. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to take a look at our surprise bag first, because it's on top. I didn't look at it yet. I just unsealed it. How are you? I was kind of hoping for one of the food ones, but this one's cute. I think it's just a cute little sack, you know, to carry stuff in, and my weeks would fit in there. So each one of these came with a little brochure with some of the different art and characters, I guess. Life is present. So these are really cute. And so now, again, this is my first time getting their planners. So someone can tell me what these are. The weeks came with these clear plastic things. At first I thought it was like a pencil board or a line board or whatever it's called. But it was one on the front and one on the back, and you can't really tell. But so what are those for? Anybody? Anybody can tell me? I assume it's to protect this because it's fabric, but it's not a case either. So I really like how this fabric feels. I just thought it was really pretty. And the year is on there, like inlaid in like a golden. So, and then I don't know if you've seen other people, the weeks come with a little pocket that you can put in like wherever, and you can just store stuff in it, I guess. See the little, there you go. I didn't get any cases or anything. I was trying to save money because I had to pay $35 for shipping. So I just picked the 2 planners, and like I said, didn't realize I was going to get free stuff. So here's the weeks setup. So I have a planner right now that I got just at Barnes & Noble, and it's a smaller size, like maybe half of this size of the Cousin, and I can carry it with me easily. So I did get a pencil case. This is kind of like bigger. It's like a zipper pouch kind of thing that I can carry my pens and a couple of planners in it. So this should fit in there. The cousin should fit in there. So I'm happy about that. And I got the English versions because I do like reading quotes. And like, I know some people go over their quotes, even if they're in English, they go over top of them. I'm like just new to the whole planning thing. So I have used planners in the past, but not to the scale that I'm trying to, like starting, you know, now I'm trying to be really good about it. Okay, so this is the planner that I'm using right now. I got it from Barnes & Noble, and I got it because I liked the size. It's by Paper Source. I like the size, and it started already. So it started in, I don't know, August. So that's about when I got it. And I'm really trying to keep up with it. So I'm trying to carry it around with me everywhere. But it has the month and then also the weekly. So, and then I got these tabs. I don't know if you can see them. They're little tiny tabs. I got them from Jetpens. And so I think it came with like 7, but I have some that I'm using in something else. So I just move these when I need them. I have them on the months, like the main month calendar. And then I think I ordered this from Jetpens. I'm very aware that their planners are they sell out quickly on Jetpens, and I was a little bit ignorant about what I was doing, so I ended up buying this one in a bit of a rush. And I really don't know what their return policy is. I love Jetpens. I order way too much from there. And so this is the this is like my 3rd pencil pouch from Jetpens. One of they did the video, like what would they buy if they didn't have a limit on what they purchased, like price wise. And one of them recommended this pencil pouch, and I realized that this is the size I need, because you look, now this is just like a set of pens I have. It's like 10 or something like that, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. But I do have a fountain pen. This was from the first purchase I ever made at Jetpens, probably a couple years ago. And I just put new ink in it. And then just a couple of like other pens and stuff. Now this isn't really like stocked for, you know, plannering yet. I got this from Jetpens too. It came without the inks, and then I got to get the inks. I love my Melody and Kuromi, so I like that. But this will fit all of my planners. I might see if I can send that purple one back, like I said. But this just has like so many pockets and everything. So that's why I ended up with it. And I'm working on like carrying either this with me all the time, or at least my planner. Once I have my other 2 planners, like I'm suddenly like gonna use 3 planners, I don't know, that I'm gonna be carrying, I might just carry this pouch. Okay, so here's a closer look at the little brochure. And both of the ones that I got are English, because they send you like the language of whatever the planner is that you got. And I think that, I don't know, I feel like I need to get a cover for the cousin, because of the cover is, you know, paper, canvas, and I feel like it could easily be damaged or torn. So, but I love how it lays flat. I mean, it just stays by itself. Like, how awesome is that? So, and the paper, oh, I'm excited to use it. I wish that I could already start using it. So, I think I'm gonna get a cover for this. I don't think I'm gonna order from Hobonichi again this year, because, like I said, I had to pay $35 for shipping. Now, for the 2 planners that I got, it was cheaper with the shipping than it would have been to order them from Jetpens. Even though I would have gotten free shipping, because they have to raise the price, you know, to account for their having to import them and stuff. which I understand. So, and plus you get the little bag and the pens, which is nice. So it was definitely a better deal, but I don't know if I can justify paying the shipping for that much just for a cover or a pencil board. I'm gonna have to take a look. I don't know whether there's different levels of shipping prices. You can tell I'm like addicted. I can't, it's so much and I love it. Anyways, I've been watching Rachel in Theory, a lot of her videos, and she went to the Hobonichi like launch like in person in California, and I was like, oh my goodness, because it really helped clear things up as far as sizing and stuff went for me, because I could see it like in person even though I wasn't there. So it helped me to make a better, more educated purchase, and not rushing into it, you know, like really taking my time. So I feel like I made good choices, and the weeks is just so slim. It's like an old address book. Like if you know you have address books like from you were, you know, born a while ago, and you know, in the 80s and 90s you had address books, and even in the 2000s, the early 2000s. And so this is like the vibe, like how it is. So I like that aspect of it. So I don't know, I'm super excited. I feel like there's no going back for me. I'm gonna be like Hobonichi user all the time now. We'll see how the big full year cousin works. For me, I might do the I can't remember what the word is, but the split one. But like I said, I wanted to have just one, because I worry that I wouldn't know where the other half of it is. Like when I get halfway through the year, I might not know where it is. So anyways, I don't know if you can tell that I'm excited about these planners in my video, but I am super excited. I appreciate you watching, and like I said, if you know what these are for, like, I don't know, I don't understand. They don't attach at all. I mean, I guess I could use them for like bookmarks, but it doesn't have a tab on it like their pencil boards do. So I don't know, and it kind of like makes it pop open like that. Anyways, if you know what these are for, let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the planner video. Like I said, I'm just learning, but I can do more videos. Like, I'm excited to start setting up my planners, and I'm trying to just be better with like bills and that kind of stuff, and I'm trying to put them for each day in my planners and that kind of thing. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments. And if you could subscribe, I would appreciate it, because it really helps me. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.